Hey, welcome to Apicem tutorials. This video is second in the series of smart English idioms and phrases to sound like a native English speaker. You can check it at the I button. So let's start without wasting any time. But please subscribe to the channel if the video proves useful to you. The first one is Achilles heel. This phrase is used to describe some small weakness or flaw in someone that results in his failure. Its usage is, geography is my Achilles heel. I will fail the exams due to this subject. So Achilles heel means a weakness that results in the failure. The second one is blow a fuse. Its meaning is to get suddenly very angry at something. I always blow my fuse when he talks nonsense about my sister. The principal always blows his fuse when he hears about an incident of indiscipline in his school. I blew my fuse when my brother broke my mobile. Third one is bull in a china shop. As it is clear from the phrase itself, it refers to an extremely awkward and clumsy person or to act in a clumsy way. सब कुछ खराब कर देना with your clumsiness. Do you really have to behave like a bull in a china shop while I speak with my clients? It means कि जब मैं अपने client से बात कर रहा होता हूँ तो मैं clumsily ज़रूर behave करना होता है. Another example. Last night I behaved like a bull in a china shop. I'm sorry for that. Fourth one is cog in the machine. Cog means what? Cog का मतलब है एक छोटा सा nut. एक पूरी machine में एक छोटा सा nut. So it refers to be a small part of a large organization. For example, I am tired of being a mere cog in the machine. I want to start my own business now. Or, working in this company for 10 years hasn't given me any advantage. I'm still just a cog in the machine. Last one is cut the Gordian knot. It means to solve a very difficult problem by doing something extreme. कुछ बड़ा करके, ऐसा कुछ जो किसी ने सोचा भी ना हो, ऐसा कुछ करके problem को solve कर देना. For example, India will have to cut the Gordian knot somehow to re-establish the peace between India and China. Try using these phrases in your daily life. Don't worry, they can really fit in your life situations. At least give these a try. Take up one at a time and incorporate it in your talk with others. Please subscribe before going away and leave your valuable comments in the comment box. It gives me great pleasure to hear from you. Thank you.